rock and roll. Chinese takeout, fake out in 30 minutes or less. Let's get to it. Pat filet tips dry with paper towel. Season with salt, black pepper, Chinese 5-spice, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and cornstarch. Then dredge tips in cornstarch. To make stir-fry sauce, combine beef broth, duck sauce, mirin cooking rice wine, sriracha. In a separate bowl, whisk cornstarch into teriyaki sauce until all clumps are gone, and then add into the rest of the mixture. Into a hot wok, add vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Fry the beef tips until golden brown on all sides in small batches. Wipe out wok and add about 1/4 cup vegetable oil. Add shiitake mushroom, red bell pepper, asparagus, yellow onion, garlic, green onion, salt, pepper, and saute until tender but still al dente. Add stir-fry sauce to wok, bring to a boil, and add filet tips back into wok. Tossing and coating until thoroughly warmed and coated. Serve over a bed of steamed white or brown rice. And as always, we here at Omaha Steaks have 100% satisfaction guaranteed. How's that for cooking with confidence?
Omaha Steaks, America's original butcher.